Hello everyone, welcome back with the puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, September the 9th, 2023. We have here a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are we have here a 3-star Sudoku, again a 3-star Sudoku, a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and 1 tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, 6 puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. 4 of them I will solve. Yes, 4 of them I will solve. And I've told you earlier, in this newspaper we have no additional with extra puzzles for tomorrow, so I will do the rest of the puzzles of tomorrow afternoon. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the this puzzle page, but also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yes, 3 puzzles are left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. All right, a lot of puzzles. Let me start with this one, Sudoku with 3 stars, and this one will be number I believe 7065. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars, not at 3 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see if this is a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 2. We have 8 and a 2 in the last column, so no 8 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 2 and 8 and 2. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. All right. And now. Yeah. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. All right. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in that row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay. All right. 1, okay. Then let me see 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between The middle row, the only place left for the 5 is should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. How about the number? Yeah, need to wait here. How about the 3 in this column? The 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the row below, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here 6 in that column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Yeah. Okay. 9. Well, 9. 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 2 should be here because in this column we are missing the 2. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this column could be here, could be there. Well, we see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 middle row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For numbers the 1, the 2. The 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 4 and 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. 3, 7, 9. Okay. How about 2, 2, 2, 4, 4. And I need a 1 here. 1, 4, and 6. 6. What's happening? 6. Yeah. 6, 6. Well, here, 2 missing numbers. In the second column for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 7, 9, 3. Well, we have a pair. The 1 and the 4 in this row. The 1 and the 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. That means 1 digit left in this last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. All right, and all the 6s are used. I can't see digit number 3, number 6. Okay. Then 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are missing in this big square. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and 7, we have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column, third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 4. Okay. And now, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in our third row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the third row. 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 14 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one, so we'll do the thing. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.